All and welcome to the virtual class. Today we will see a new topic in grammar, that is the writing skill, diary writing. Now, just now we have discussions about the diary writing. Diary writing is the personal form of writing where the person maintain a diary to write about his or her personal life or a situation where he or her express their personal life or a situation which is gives us a pleasure that you express in your words, that is called a diary writing. It is a way to express your feelings and emotions in writing to yourself. That is the diary writing. Okay. Diary writing is mostly a personal form of writing. It is a personal use of writing. But while writing the diary, there is also a format for writing the diary. Now, the diary helps us to organize our thoughts, and you can record a daily events also. Whatever the things has happened with you, you can record the daily events. For example, uh, here the few girls are discussing about their situation. They recall it. Okay, they explain me through their words. If they explain these things in a written form, so that is called a diary writing. Okay, you are explain certain experience or opinion or the situation, that is the diary writing. Okay, now see students, this is the examples, this is the format of writing a diary writing. First you have to mention the place, okay, date, day, time, and your optional, that means the salutation, dear diary. Okay, this you are writing for yourself, so here should be main write dear diary. Then after your content. Then after your content. And at last, you have to mention their name or sign. All right. Because whom is writing the diary? You people are writing the diary. So that's the reason you have to mention your name and sign. This is the format of writing a diary. Okay. This is a format of writing a diary. Remember this thing. First, you have to write the place, then after date, then after day, then after time, then salutation, that is the dear diary. Then you have to start writing the diary. Okay, what is the main thing why you writing the diary? Okay, whatever situation you want to be expressed through the words, that you have to be write them. And once you complete it, at last will come name and sign, your name and sign. Okay, here I have one example. Okay, now here the example is what, that you are the secretary of welfare organization of your school. Under your leadership of the organization, we are able to collect a amount for old age home. Okay, help them. Express your sense of pride and happiness in the form of a diary entry. Now you have a lump sum amount to help the old age home. Okay, now you have to express your happiness. So first, what you have to mention, you have to mention the place. Okay, you have to mention here place. So here this is, we are talking about the school, so no need to mention the place. All right. Then after will come your day, right? Then your date, then your time. Time. Which time will come? Which time you have to mention, at what time you are writing the diary, that time will become. Okay, then the opening, that means the salutation, dear diary. Then you have to be start writing your paragraph in a systematic way. Okay, now you people we are asking me, teach a systematic way, that means how I supposed to write the paragraph. See students, whenever you writing the paragraph, the first letter is always should be a capital. Okay, first letter should be a capital. Once your sentence is completed, put their full stop. If in a sentence you are expressing such kinds of feelings, expressions, there you have to be put a exclamatory marks. That means whenever needed, put the proper punctuation marks in your sentences. Once your paragraph writing is completed, once your paragraph writing is completed, put down your name. Okay, only just your name and your sign. Why? Because it shows that you are writing your feelings, you're expressing your feelings or else your situation. Okay, so that's the reason you have to be write your name and your signature should be come. Understood? So what is given in this diary writing? Wait, I will read out this for you. I am proud to be a part of the welfare organization of my school, as I always wanted to help the old people through various activities. We collected a sum of more of 2.3 lakhs. Full stop. This fund will take care of their health care, entertainment, and adult education. I feel content and happy like never before. Okay. And then after leave one line, ABC, that means the writer name. Whoever the write this diary, that writer name should be come over there. Okay. As you observe students, here, if the one paragraph is over, it's leave one line and then after he closing line. This is the closing line. That is, I feel content and happy like never before. All right. This is the closing line. Once he or she completed the line, then after the sign. All right. This is a very simplest format of writing the dialogue writing. As you can see, students, if you are writing the letter writing, okay, letter writing or something, picture composition, essay writing, especially when you are writing the later writing, there you have to be keep so many things in your mind. You have to write address, name, date, everything you have to mention. But this is, we are talking about the diary writing. In this diary writing, you have to be mention place where the situation is happen. You have to mention day and date. Okay. When the situation is happen, proper day and date. And then after you have to mention the time. Now time, that means when you're writing the diary, आप कब diary लिख रहे हो, that time you have to be mentioned. And then after dear diary, that means salutation part. And then after leave one line, start writing your paragraph. Okay, start writing your paragraph. Whatever paragraph you have chosen, whatever feelings you want to be shared, whatever situation you want to be shared, that paragraph. Then at last your name, your name and sign will come over there. Okay. Now here I have one example students about the diary writing. All right. So in this example, if you read this paragraph, then you will come to know that he or she is talking about a which situation or which occasion. Okay. Can you reply me through the chat box that it is diary writing? Just read in your mind and just tell me that this is talking about which situation or which occasion. Through the chat box, you can reply me, students. Very good. This is talking about the annual function, right? This is talking about the annual celebration or annual function. Okay. So here they have mentioned the place is not necessary to mention because here we are talking about the school. Okay, here we're talking about the school. So directly they started with the date, then day, then the time. Okay, time where you writing your diary, at which time you're writing your diary, then the whole paragraph, then at last you can see here xyz. Xyz means what? Xyz means your name will become, a particular person name will come. All right. So